All right, hello. It is Monday morning, a little late start today, so might be a little bit on the short side today. But let's catch up with where we are on Pro Gymnast. So we're in the home stretch on this game. As you can see, evidenced by this to-do list, which is getting shorter and shorter. I got a handful of things I want to work on today. One of the things I did off stream is I made new controller prompts. Check these out. They look pretty nice. Definitely look better, I think, than the previous kind of like pixely incarnation. This game's definitely not that style, so this is good. So we're in good shape there. And let's see. A couple things I wanted to work on today. So we have a few areas of localization that appear to be missing. So if we go here to let me go to menus. There we go. And I'm pretty sure that the level select here has a handful of untranslated sections. So let's go look at this. This one is localized. Okay, these. Oh. Level name header. Ah, okay. So this is probably not that it wasn't localized, it was just that I didn't translate it. Let's see. Let's go find our localization document. All right. What do I call it? Level name header. Here we go. There they are. Oh wait, hang on. Let me share that. There we go. Right. So these ones right here. I just forgot to actually localize them. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not quite sure how I want to word these. Maybe we'll do this. Oops. Wow, that's a little weird too. Yeah, Something like this. Okay. Okay. All right. Still haven't made up my mind on localizing the actual names of the levels yet. Although some of these, the like training ones, I should probably give proper names. These don't exist anymore. Let's see. Yeah. Oops. Okay. Okay. Let's see, is that all the tutorials? What's the focus training called? Did I not call that something tutorial? Let's go look. Alright. Training focus, okay. That's what I called it. Where is that here? There it is. Oh, that's why, okay. Alright, give this one also a translation. Okay, let's go back here and let's grab our localization. This should actually go down a little bit because I cut some lines. 603. Okay, so now we go here. Okay, so some of these are kind of long. I should probably fix this so that I try not to go to 2 lines if possible. And I mean, I could adjust this translation too, to try and avoid long. Ooh, okay. Yeah, and those titles up here are kind of gross. Okay, let's go look at this. So, what do I need to do? Let's see. Yeah, so this example here. Is really narrow, I guess. Yeah, for one line to fit, it would have to be really small. Other thing is I need to do this, I think. Or just adjust the placement of that, but... Okay, so these... These need to be adjusted. First of all, I think they all... need to come up a little bit. Oh. This is in a horizontal layout group. There we go. So this whole thing, bottom needs to come up. Okay. Now, what do we do with these? I guess we could do auto size and we'll say they can get as low as 18, as big as 24, maybe 22. And we'll let them get up to 20% squished to fit. That should help quite a bit. Also, where's level best time header, level best score header? There they are. So let's see, what would this be? Okay. Okay, well, we've got these two here. Okay. So what should we do about this? Can I make these even? I guess we just make this even simpler. Or even if we just do like make these all like this. I better put a note on these ones for other languages where they don't have the ability to come in and look at the build. So narrow column header, limit to around maybe 10 characters or less. Manual line breaks. Okay, up to 3 lines. Okay. That's all these. Yeah, and this one. Okay. And the same thing for here, these two. Yeah, let's get rid of this note. I haven't decided what I'm doing about this yet. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's see how that looks. Let's grab the updated loc. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look great. Where were we there? Okay. I could make this slightly shorter. Okay. And then maybe we just simplify this even more. I don't know. Maybe part of the other problem with these ones is that they have them squished here. I do. That's that. They just have to be centered. Ugh. Okay, so okay. Let's do that. So let's grab all these and say we're actually not gonna wrap. Okay. 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 Now what about this? These look like they don't have loc yet. Okay. So what should this be? Level, best time, header. Hey, Big Gamey, what's up? Yeah, made some pretty good progress on the game overall, though. The to-do list is getting quite short. So right now I'm just working on some localization oversight and fixes. Oh wait, this is where the name gets put in. So this needs one. Level, arena. Surprised we don't have these already though, because I thought a second ago. Level arena best place header. Level arena best score header. So where did these just not? Yeah, so that's what this one should be. Level arena best score header. And then level arena best place header. And then this should be level arena medal count header. That one I don't think exists. We're gonna add one for that. Okay. Okay. Oh, what's wrong? There we go. Okay. Okay. So now we gotta go back here and make sure these get localized. So this needs a localized text script. So does this. And so does this. Okay. Now if we grab this, pull the latest. Alright. You should see those. Yep. Pop to English. Now pop to Japanese. Ugh. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Okay, see if that makes it better or if I'm gonna have to put manual line breaks in here. Oh wait, I can just look at it by going like this. Yeah, almost. This one, I guess technically, we could give it more space. Oh, is this all in a thing? It's all in a thing. That means this needs to be wider. And actually I could give all these a little extra breathing room here. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that looks... language. Okay, that's better. Okay. Oh yeah. Now these entries need a little support. So that's going to be in my UI, my prefabs UI. Let's see, level, select entry challenge. Yep, that's what that is. Okay. So this text here, which actually has the content right here, needs to be, I mean, I wonder, these could all be a little smaller in the first place, like that. Or even, these are just numbers, so they could be slightly bigger. 28. Okay, so we're gonna say max is 28. Min is 18, but you can squish up to 20%. I like using this new squish by 20% thing. Okay. Also, horizontal layout group, no padding. Oh, we got spot for a cursor over here. Right. Okay, that's cool. Look at that. Wow, even that's not enough, huh? Look at this. Oh, right. Gotta go here and set this to be disabled, I guess. Okay. Okay. Oops. Japanese. Okay. Now the problem is just that they're willing to get too close to the edge there. Okay. So that, whoops, no, this. So that's related to that this needs a, oh, can we, yeah, this is just a layout element. Okay. So this should be like, something like that. Don't get too close to the edge there. Okay. That looks better. Yeah, cool. These two are not centered, it looks like. This one and this one. It says it's centered. Maybe. No, they're not centered. Why? That's weird. Oh no, they are centered. They're not lining up anymore. Okay, so what's the deal there? That's because we gotta look at this. And we see that we have, what, 32... well, no, a flexible width, and then 150, 150, and then these are all 100, okay? So look at this. 100, 100, 100, 100, 150, 150. Flexible. So why don't they line up? Does the level list have like a... level list here? Does this have like some padding or something? Got padding of 6. So this one probably needs that as well. Oh, that didn't seem to change much. We got... that one says it's 100 width. 100. 100. 100, but we're getting off. Whereas these ones are ending up different. Let's go look. 100. I guess it's just that it's starting in set a little bit. Huh. Yeah, see, this thinks the level name is only going to be 328 wide. Here it's 356. How is that possible? Yeah, 356. Oh, wait a minute. Does this have... this has spacing. There we go. Now it lines up. Okay. So this one, challenge header, should not have spacing in between. Okay. Okay, that should look better. Let's see. So that's done. Yeah, I'm gonna need to get translations for French, Italian, German, Spanish, Chinese. Okay. Oh, we need to be saving the language choice. Is it gonna be game settings, I believe? Yeah, so we have a control setting, we have a game speed setting, we have a focus factor setting, grab assist, camera distance, motion blur, depth of field, music, sound effects, cues. So we also want in here language. So that's easy enough. And then we'll say static loc manager dot language s language default English. Okay. These are just using player prefs. Wonder if we could say, or I almost wonder if like the language let's make this an integer. Let's make this a Make this a string actually. We're gonna just make a little system for this, so. Okay, and then we could be like down here, public static loc manager.language. Is this way we want to do this? Yeah. Okay. Because we could here do a thing where if it's not a known one, we go with the system language, which would be cool. Okay. Yeah, we want the like, yeah, 2-letter ISO language codes. Okay. And then we would be like loc manager.language L equals parse language. No, we'd be loc manager lang. And then we would be like if not, okay, something like this. Okay, and finally, okay, and then if you call set, we just let's see, so this is gonna be loc manager dot get language code for the value. Something like this. Let me think here. And then I gotta work out what the flow is gonna be for this, but that's okay. Okay, so we're gonna go to our loc manager now, and we're gonna add in guess we could put these down lower. So public, what do I need? Public bool parse language code string C out language L. Okay, so then L is going to default to English, and then we can just do this simply. Why not? Let's do this. Dot to lower invariant. Pretty sure Japanese is JP. Oh no, it's JA. Okay. There's probably some methods I could be using for this that come from like using some of the language features. Like there's probably some classes I could be using to just do this translation for me, but I have my own little struct here, so I'm just going to do it this way. And then we will say return whether we found one or not. Okay. So this has to be expanded when we add more. And wait, did I actually? No. I guess at this point we might as well. We're going to have French, Italian, German, Spanish. I think just one version of Spanish, one incarnation of Spanish. And then we're going to have Chinese Simplified, Chinese Traditional, and Japanese. That's the plan. And we might as well port these here. Yeah, pretty sure we've got these in here. So language.French, for example, would be s equals d.fr break. Language.Italian s equals d.it break. Language.German s equals d.de, right? Break. Spanish. SP apparently. Okay. Chinese Simplified is yes. And Chinese Traditional DT. Okay. And then okay, so what do we got for French? Gonna be FR. Okay. So L equals language.French. Pound equals true. Break. Okay. Italian is IT, right? Yep. IT. L equals language.Italian. Found equals true. Break. Okay. German is DE, right? Yeah. DE. Okay, and Spanish. Yeah, Castilian Spanish is ES. So we're gonna consider this, I guess. Okay. Now. Yeah. Now, is there only... How do we differentiate between simplified and traditional Chinese? I don't think you can, because it's like you get the same two-letter code, and then you have a like a region code usually after that. So what we're gonna do is say if the OS says it's this, yeah. We may want... Let's do this. We'll do like a special case here. Okay, something like this. I might change that in a second, but... Okay, and then we also want a function called getLanguageCode. So this is going to be public string getLanguageCode for a loc manager language. Okay. Okay. So simplified, we're gonna say is ZH-S, and then traditional CH-T. Okay, we make it down here, we just return English because we don't know what the heck's going on. Okay. So loc manager instance. Although actually no. These, let's make these static. Okay. And here we do I'm gonna want to get the okay, so system globalization culture info. Is system.globalization.culture info UI culture. right? Or installed UI culture. Okay, and then this gives us, yeah, 2-letter ISO language name. Okay. What else does it give us? Yeah, 3-letter ISO language name. Okay. Okay. We probably want to use these. Okay, so we actually want the dot culture possibly. If it's okay, so what we want to do here, I think, is we want to say like so the code in this case is going to be the CI dot 2-letter language ISO name. And we can say special case for Chinese. So if code equals ch, then what we want to do is look at culture. If ci.culture, or what is this? ci.name. Contains this. This is traditional. So then we say code equals yeah, zh-t, else code equals zh-s. Okay, and then we say loc manager dot parse language code with this new code we found. Try to get that. Okay. So then what we should do is go find where we here in our language menu. Yeah, we set all the options there, and then when you set a language, that already happens. Now we need to save this setting. Okay, so that should save it. Now where do we want to get it on load? Like for example, where do we set the... Like for example, the control setting, right? Like where do we... Like it just sets it right there. Maybe that's not a great example. What about like the sound volume or something? Like where are we? The audio manager is grabbing those on start. So we could do the same thing for the loc manager. The first time it gets created, which would be here, we would, or even right here, we would be like, so calling game settings.language would cause no, it's down here, this code to happen, where we either get the setting that's been set, or we get one from the system. And the only time we actually write into player prefs is when we assign game settings.language, and the only place we do that is when you actually change the language here. Okay, so that should be close. So now in theory, we're gonna see the language list is gonna show all the languages now. Oh, maybe not. What's this? Oh, wait, right. I have one other place where I mess with that. Where is that? Here. Available languages are English, Japanese. Okay. So we go here and set it to Japanese. Now that should have been saved. Yep, and I run the game and it's back in Japanese. That's cool. And if I explicitly set it to English, run it, should stay in English. Okay, so that makes that setting stick, and it should default to the right language if we have that language. Okay. That would mean right now. Right now, if I made a build and I sent it out to people and they were, you know, their language was sent to French, they would get like a blank game. So that's a little concerning. I guess this means if I want to put out a build before I finish getting translations, I would need to somehow block almost like I need a flag, like is the loc ready for a certain language or not, which I almost have right now because of the this thing here, available languages, but this is only visible in my language menu, not to the whole loc manager thing. Yeah. I suppose this feels gross, but I could do something like this. Even make this static. It would be like this: language.english true. French, Italian, German, Spanish, Chinese, Japanese. Okay. Actually, if I have this, then I could even just do like a do this. Gonna work. So then, because then what I could do is I could go here to language menu and I could get rid of the available languages and say instead I forgot how to so that this would change to something like this. Like that. Then we would say if like that. And then we could also do that in here where if you try to we could catch it here, or we could just not let you get that far. Like if nope, is available equals languages ready value. And we say if not is available, okay, and then we leave. So then okay, we put that failsafe there, and then also down here where we no, not there, here. We gotta check real quick right here. And we say if not loc manager language is available lang. We say lang equals manager language English. Okay. Okay, this should make it easier for me. So if I need to put out a build now, I can have all this code ready for all the languages, but as long as we have a false up here, right here, it won't actually let you switch to that language, and it'll default back to English. So let's see if our language menu works now. What do we got here? Oh, okay. So we need private list locmanager.language language list. Okay. So then right here we say language list.clear. And then here we say language list.add the language. And then here we choose from language list. Okay. Okay.
Took a walk among the stars tonight. Found myself a washing colored light.
Nope, still got a compiler error here. Not add range, just add. Okay. So if we go here, we still have only those two languages because they're the only ones marked as available. That's good. And we can still swap to them. Cool. Alright. Alright. Probably gonna call. Ooh. Oh, no, that's just. Yeah, okay. That's just the way the material looks. Alright, we fixed some layout, we fixed some localization stuff. Pretty good shape here. Yeah. Productive day indeed. Got some stuff done. So we're going to call the overall task of localization support done. There's going to be some bugs and issues, but they can consider them that way. This feature I'm almost done with. And I wanted to look at this, but didn't get a chance to yet. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to look into avatar expressions and see if we can get some facial expressions, but I'm not going to go too deep in that if I can't. And then we're going to hit some of these bugs and probably work on levels. Yeah. Cool. All right. We will be back. Let's see. Tomorrow is Tuesday, so it'll be an evening stream. Be a little bit longer. Should be good. Yeah. Everyone have a good day, and see you later.